Hello, this is Chris with Pools by John Clarkson. Today I will be teaching you how to operate the Dusk setting using that Jandy iAquaLink app. This setting is a perfect way to set up your pool lights to come on every night at dusk without having to constantly change the schedule due to daylight savings time. Once on the app, you're going to click Web, click Menu, click System Setup, scroll over. If you do not have DST enabled, you're going to want to click that. Once that's enabled, go ahead and click Dusk Setup. Enable it. In this instance, I want my pool lights to shut off at 10 p.m., so I'm going to click Off Time. Type in 10 o'clock p.m. Enter. Now we're going to set our location. I'm currently in Jacksonville, Florida, so I'm going to click City and Time Zone. Eastern Standard Time. Page down. Highlight Jacksonville. Hit Save. Next, we're going to click Set Devices. Page down. Find Pool Light. Spotlight. Hit Save. Now the system knows to turn on our pool lights at sunset at 8:31 p.m. and shut them off at 10 p.m. Thank you for watching and have a good day.